In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ASUS Router app on Android. First, let's open the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Tapping on it will lead you to a vast library of apps. This is the starting point for accessing any application on your Android device. Once it opens, you will see a search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you can find what you need quickly. Next, tap the search bar. This action will allow you to input the name of the app you want. It's an essential step to narrow down your search. Typing accurately will help you find the app without getting distracted by other suggestions. With the search bar activated, you are ready to type in the app name. Now, type ASUS Router. Be sure to spell it correctly, as this will ensure you get the right results. After typing, you will notice suggestions pop up below. This can be helpful, but you want to make sure to find the correct app. Getting this part right is crucial because it sets you up for the next steps. From there, select ASUS Router by ASUS Tech Computer Inc. This is important because it ensures you are choosing the official app. You want to avoid any unofficial apps that might not work as intended or could compromise your security. Selecting the right app will take you to the installation page. After that, tap Install. This action will begin downloading the app onto your device. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. It's a simple yet important step because this is how you get the app onto your device. Once you tap Install, just wait for the download to finish. This may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, tap Open. This will launch the ASUS Router app for the first time. You may see a welcome screen that gives you a brief overview of the app's features. This initial launch is significant because it sets the stage for your router management experience. At this point, you will need to sign in or connect to your ASUS router. Make sure your router is powered on and connected to your network. This step is vital as it allows the app to access your router's settings. Connecting properly will enable you to manage your network efficiently without any complications. With that done, allow the requested permissions if prompted. This is an important step because the app needs access to certain features of your device, like your Wi-Fi connection. Granting these permissions ensures that the app functions smoothly and can communicate with your router. Finally, you can start managing your compatible ASUS router. The official app is available on Google Play and has over 5 million downloads. This means many users trust the app to manage their networks effectively. You can now enjoy the ease of controlling your router settings right from your device. With these steps, you are well on your way to optimizing your home network with the ASUS Router app. Happy managing!